Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again, and this is Aaron Mahi. Uoki kaumi. I took my beard off. We welcome you to Na ōlelo ka Malama, the beautiful Hawaiian words of the month through our wonderful Hawaiian language. This time around, we'll be sharing with you services that we bring to our community from Partners in Development Foundation, creating avenues of safety, protection, and peace. Our word today is Puuhonua, which is a designated place for refuge, for safety and protection, a sanctuary. Our sentence today relates to Wa'olani, a sacred Puuhonua here in Nuuanu Valley. And so it goes, He Puuhonua kapu o Wa'olani, no kapoe ihuna a me kabai. Wa'olani was a sacred place for peace and protection to those that were impoverished and those that are ill. We hope that you enjoyed our Na ōlelo ka Malama from Partners in Development Foundation. E ola i ka ōlelo Hawaiʻi.